All right. Okay, that lady, no, she's... Oh, wait, she looks official. I'm about to get yelled at.
Is she really?
I don't know, she has a vest on. Oh, wait, here's somebody. Hi. Sorry, I didn't mean to scare you. I'm Mr. Kate. I do videos online about interior design. I help people pull together their spaces. Can I ask you a question about your home?
Sure.
Is there an area in your home that just drives you crazy that maybe could be pulled together better?
I mean, I really love my home, but the one area probably is like my desk. It's in the living room, so it's kind of near the TV and like the couch faces it.
What do you do?
I'm a realtor.
So your place has to look good.
Yeah, well, I mean for myself.
Inspiration. Okay.
Yeah.
So is it organized?
It's an unorganized mess.
Okay, well, do you think maybe I could come over and check it out, see if I could give you a piece of furniture might help you pull it together?
I mean, we just met, but I guess letting a total stranger come in and do something cool, I will have to check this out.
Yes, please. I have like 10 years of footage online, please. You can verify.
Okay, sure, let's do it.
Yay!
We are back with another random stranger giveaway makeover. I have been really enjoying doing these because it is just like fly by the seat of my pants. I do not know what's gonna happen in a good way, and it's been so fun. This one is no exception, right? Remember, this is our quick fix makeover series where we find some random person, go over and try to, in 1 hour with some free Mr. Kate furniture and some wallpaper, transform their space. Oh, and it's a double giveaway series, so remember, you can enter to win all the stuff that we use in these makeovers. So let's go decorate. We are here.
Oh, hi. Nice to see you.
So good to see you. I'm so excited. Get organizing. Oh girl, we're gonna be clutter-free by the end of the day. So this is our quick fix series where basically we just diagnose a problem area, which is clearly this area behind me. And we're using this wall for work and entertainment. A lot of people have their offices now in their homes, right? I mean, everything just feels very sort of like crunched over here. So we need to make it all reasonable and work with your sofa. Your sofa, this whole area is so cute. You did a great job over here. Clutter is one of those things, like if you can get it tucked away and it's not staring at you all the time, it's more fun to work, right? To sit down, more clear head, feel like the fresh start every day. So that's the goal.
Are you excited?
I'm super excited.
Are you nervous?
Very nervous.
Are you nervous?
Oh, really?
A little bit. I'm just curious, like this.
Well, we did just meet, and we're now in your house about to do stuff, so.
I know, thank you for trusting us.
Okay, let's do it.
Let's do it. All right, we can all see her problem. It's very obvious. She's got her cake and she's eating it too. She's got her TV next to her desk, but I think this is a real problem for a lot of people. You've got your office in a living space area. So this is perfect for us to tackle because it can look a lot better than how it's looking now. And she's got like really cute style. She's totally tried in the rest of the room, like this wall needs help. Virgo woman, you're a Virgo?
Yeah.
Virgos like organization, right?
They do.
So your Virgo is gonna be very happy. All right, so as usual, we've got a whole bunch of supplies and options in the truck. And I'm thinking that this area really just needs some color and texture to just almost distract away from like the TV computer situation. So kind of a full wall transformation is gonna happen in here, starting with Grasscloth. It's traditional, it's beautiful, it always looks good. I am so excited about this. Have you heard of Grasscloth?
No.
Okay, so Grasscloth Wallpaper is like a really classic wallpaper look, like a lot of the like high-end interior designers use it. And this is our Mr. Kate version of Grasscloth.
I love it.
And it just has a beautiful, like, organic look to it.
Yeah.
And it just is gonna give us so much life.
Yeah.
And also bring in that pretty bluey thing that you have going on in here, like the beachy thing. And then you have like the ocean and the sky out there, like the best view ever. The thing that I love about this peel and stick grass cloth is that it is our easiest wallpaper to install because you don't have to match any pattern. Literally one panel goes up, the other one just goes up right next to it because it's sort of the look to have them be these individual panels. And it also has a texture, like you can feel the grass cloth look that you see, which is so cool. Adds another dimension, adds another level of classiness to it. It's also so easy, Karan can do it herself, but we also have a Joey because we only have an hour, so Joey, the speed demon wallpaper installer, is stepping in. This wall came together so quickly and so beautifully. This grass cloth is the perfect backdrop for us to now bring in our Tess, yes, named after my little sister. The Tess modular system. So modular means there's different separate pieces that can mix and match depending on your needs. There's a TV stand, there's different size bookshelves, and there's even a standing desk, which is perfect for what she wants. It's what Karan already had, but this one's gonna be way cuter. And they all work together. They're all the same finish, and you can get whatever you need to fit the size wall that you have. So we've got a TV hutch, a bookshelf, and a desk coming in for you. Karan, it's gonna look so good, it's so organized.
Hey guys, just wanted to jump in really quickly and let you know that we are having a President's Day sale all weekend long over on MrKate.com, and it starts right now. So if you've been looking for some Mr. Kate stuff, go check out MrKate.com. Okay, back to the makeover.
All right, we're running short on time and we've got to get this done. Thankfully, Karan has to step out, which I'm happy about because now we can surprise her with the final look. I got to rush around. I'm just soaking up how good this looks. I love how the gold mesh on the cabinet front mimics the gold mesh that's going on. It's metal on the back of the desk. And this is actually made for like crafters in mind. So you get these little gold hooks that you can put onto the mesh and hang whatever supplies or things you need. In this case, I'm gonna be displaying some of Karan's like keepsake items, cutie things that she had up and around, but there was just like too much and too cluttered. This is gonna be a more organized and beautiful way to display all that stuff. Here's a fun tip, which I think will work out. This is the cutest baking dish I've ever seen, and I feel like some of these pens will look really cute now. Part of the quick fixes, as you guys have seen on these episodes, is rethinking the room, rearranging. She didn't need much of that. However, her couch wall was a bit too crammed in with this little dinette table that she had next to her counter seating for her kitchen. It just wasn't inviting. There wasn't enough space to pull out either version of the chairs. So I made the executive choice, I hope she likes it, to put the little dinette table out on her balcony where she has the most gorgeous view ever, and it was totally empty before, no seating options. So now there's room to sit at the kitchen counter if she wants to eat there, or she can go out and enjoy the sunrise, sunset, just the gorgeous view of the ocean out on her balcony. So hope she likes it. Okay, so it's looking so clean in here. I don't want to put this area rug back down. She has this gorgeous carpet. It's in amazing condition. So Joey, I think we need to do a reverse rug cuddle and get this. She can use it in her bedroom maybe. Get this out of here. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Move it. I also rolled up her area rug because I just thought it was too big and just kind of like wrinkled and stuff like that on the existing carpeting. And her carpeting is in great condition. I think it just looks cleaner and better without it. Okay, eyes closed. You can look down at your feet if you want. Okay, so we like to do the imagine what it looked like before. We wanted to clean it up, organize it, keep the beachy blue and whitewashed wood vibe, and just make it worthy of a real estate queen. Okay, so on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh, that looks amazing.
Organized and like a dream.
You crushed the wallpaper too.
I know,
gosh,
it looks
I love it.
so good.
I love it.
Like, and it doesn't it look good backing this whitewashed wood. We've got all the organized cabinets and everything. We also kind of played around a little bit here.
Oh, I love it.
I took some,
oh my gosh, this looks so
so I couldn't help myself. I felt like it was a little cramped here with the table, and you have no table outside there.
It looks great.
I just thought like that could be the place for like a morning coffee, sit, enjoy the view. You didn't have any place to sit out there.
I love
and
it.
now there's just a little bit more movement.
Quick fix done.
Quick
Dream.
fix.
Get it? We got more to do.
We got more to do. But wait, I want to show you your desk.
Okay.
So there's more of those, and you just like loop them in so you can hang the stuff. And then there's your pens and a baking dish where they should be. Why not?
This is beautiful.
And this is a standing desk, right? So it's standing height, but then you have this comfy counter height stool, so you can sit, and it's got the little footrest. And thank you for letting us in here and trusting us.
Well, thank you so much. I couldn't even imagine anything better.
Yay! I'm so
Thanks,
Oh
Mom.
my gosh, thank you so much.
Good job.
These quick fixes are so satisfying because it's just like, you don't know what you're gonna get, and then you end up making a big change in such a small amount of time. So I hope you guys are inspired to even just try some quick fixes in your space. And remember, this is our double giveaway series, so please enter to win in the comments. You can check out this video on other platforms to enter multiple times. So comment either wallpaper or storage if you want either one of the storage pieces, or if you want the gorgeous Grasscloth wallpaper. We're having so much fun doing these quick fixes, so thank you for watching. Comment below to enter the giveaway, and stay creative, stay weird, stay you, because why not? Bye!
Oh, that's wonderful. I like that.